Nakikita nyo yung likod ko, yung mga American themed houses. That is the Georgia or Augusta Club, and the average price per square meter right now there is 70,000 pesos per square meter. And they are just divided by that perimeter wall. Nandito na si Trava. And Trava right now is at 40,000 per square meter at their pre-selling price. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, guys, and we are here in Greenfield City, Santa Rosa City, Laguna, the next BGC of the South. And at my back is the Medical City, South Luzon. Nakikita nyo na rin yan dati, no? And pupuntahan natin yung cheapest morning sun lot available kay Trava. So bago pa siya makuha, dahil malalaki na yung cuts na available ito na lang yung natitirang morning sun na lote at 583 square meters. So if gusto nyo makahabol, lalo na kapag gusto nyo lang kumuha for investment dahil naka-stretch down payment term ito, this is your chance dahil Trava is the high-end community project of Greenfield City. So puntahan natin mula dito sa ating point A sa The Medical City, South Luzon para makita nyo kung gaano kalapit sa lahat itong high-end community ni Trava, not just in the hospital but also in the malls in Paseo de Santa Rosa, Laguna Central, and the vicinity, lalo na kay UST Laguna. So samahan nyo ako, guys, drive ulit tayo in real time. And from the Medical City, South Luzon, guys, na nandito lang din sa loob ni Greenfield City, papunta na tayo kay Trava. So I hope, guys, na a-appreciate nyo kung paano yung dynamics ng mga recent video or YouTube uploads natin. Talagang real time, walang cut. Pinapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng daan para kahit nasa ibang bansa kayo, it's as if you are personally having a tripping with me, no? Kumbaga yung lens ng camera, yun yung nagsisilbing mata ninyo. So, ito yung part na to, yung mga damuhan na to, kay Greenfield City pa din ito, and sa future, mas madedevelop ito, mas magkakaroon tayo ng commercial area, mga coffee shops, and mga open park. So, yun naman ang talagang kagandahan kapag gusto natin na mag-invest sa maaga. We are enjoying, no, a smaller price per square meter, lalo na dito kay high-end community kasi ang average pricing dito, guys, nasa 50 to 70,000 per square meter, pero dito kay Trava makakakuha pa tayo ng around 40,000 per square meter at mas mababa pa if we will pay it in cash. Nandito na agad tayo actually. On our right side is Trava, and nandito na agad yung entrance gate nila. Yan, yung talagang sikat na gate nila dahil very modern ang design. Actually, master plan ito by Architect Leandro Locsin, yung gumawa ng PICC. Hi, Kuya! So, papasok na tayo ngayon. And then from here sa gate, hindi ko na ikakat para kung ano yung mismo na nire-recommend kong morning sun na lote na cheapest ngayon at 583 square meters, makikita nyo kung gaano siya kalapit sa area. So, yung nakikita nyo, yung tinutumbok natin, iyan yung magiging social hall or clubhouse nila. So, from the gate, dumiretso lang tayo, and yung pinakadulong kanto, which is unang kanto kaliwa nga, guys, no? Kumaliwa lang tayo, and pang-apat lang from here na kanto, pupunta na tayo dun sa pinakalote. May bike lanes, fully underground yung utilities, so you cannot see, no, yung mga spaghetti wires sa future. And meron tayong mga yoga, pocket garden, maraming open spaces. Ayan, habang dinidiscuss ko ngayon, ipapakita or ipa-flash ni Gio ng mabilis, no? Yung napakagandang community at amenities and yung master plan, no? Yan, nakikita nyo kung gaano kaganda yung mga houses. And ang maganda kapag malalaki yung lots ng cut, hindi crowded. And this has a total of 300 sellable lots lang. Kaya napaka konti lang, guys, napaka-exclusive. Actually, we're already here, no, sa lote. So bababa tayo para mapakita ko sa inyo kung nasan mismo yung lote. And we are here, no? Nandito na tayo sa harap ng lote. So again, this lot has a size of 583 square meters facing morning sun or facing east. Ito na lang yung cheapest na morning sun na inner lot natin kay Trava at only 24.8 million pesos. So, naka-stretch down payment sila ng 20% for 24 months. So, 207,000 per monthly down payment for 24 months. And then after 24 months, we can loan sa bank yung balance or we can pay it in cash kasabay ng ating last down payment. But the good news is if you want to pay it in cash, you will be enjoying a 20% discount. Ang laki guys, no? Again, 20% discount. So, magiging 17.7 million pesos na lang itong lot na ito. You will be enjoying a 583 square meter lot at a very high-end, very modern master plan community here in Trava. So, pinapakita namin ngayon sa lining, no, kung gaano kalaki or lapad yung lote ninyo and napakahangin. Kahit na maaraw ngayon, you won't feel na super mainit kasi elevated ang land, mataas ang land elevation, and for the houses, modern tropical yung pwede nating itayo. Maximum of 9 meters. Ayaw nila mag third floor kasi gusto nila ma-maintain na walang masyadong mataas, and of course, merong equal kayong opportunity na makita yung view, no, lalo na pag nasa taas kayo kasi makikita nyo dito si Makiling and yung other greeneries dito sa area, but pwedeng mag-basement. So again guys, no, papakita rin namin sa inyo through the video kung ano magiging master plan community or magiging itsura nito once fully developed. So watch out for this quick AVP guys. And market value update kung bakit sinasabi ko na itong high-end community ni Trava is very, very good value for money. Nakikita nyo yung likod ko, yung mga American themed houses, that is the Georgia or Augusta Club, and the average price per square meter right now there is 70,000 pesos per square meter. And they are just divided by that perimeter wall. Nandito na si Trava. And Trava right now is at 40,000 per square meter at their pre-selling price. At hindi malabo na habol at baka nga maungusan pa, no, or mag more than pa sa value ni Georgia Club and Augusta itong si Trava dahil ibang segment ito. This is the highest or the high-end subdivision of Greenfield City right now, and very, very, very modern ang master plan community. So imagine kapag nag-invest kayo dito at magkano yung i-earn nyo sa future or yung magiging return of investment nyo. And at the same time, not just because of the price, no, nakatabi niyang communities, napakalapit nito kay UST Laguna. So maraming drivers para mag-pump up yung price ng inyong property, and at the same time, no, napakaganda ng area, napakaganda ng community ni Trava. If hindi nyo man to i-flip sa future retirement home, panalo pa din kayo dahil sa accessibility nito dito papunta sa Manila, SLEX Expressway going to north, no, papuntang Tagaytay, at papunta pa sa maraming area. So again guys, maraming salamat sa pagtutok. If you are interested in our very last 583 inner lot facing east or morning sun, no, pwede kayo mag-inquire sa akin. You can directly contact me, sir, 927-185-1590. If you are living abroad, you may contact me directly through your Viber or WhatsApp account. Ito rin yung number ko. Email thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. You may also like our Facebook page and directly message me there, The Property Geek, TikTok, The Property Geek. Like and subscribe to our channel, The Property Geek, YouTube, no? And at the same time, you may also add and directly message me using my personal Facebook account, Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok, guys. Until our next video, this has been The Property Geek, and bye-bye!